Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. What I'm going to show you today, and this is actually part of a job I'm doing, which is replacing the power steering pump on my C5 Corvette. But I want to show you how to use a pulley puller. I've got one from Harbor Freight. It actually didn't fit that well, but I made it work. The principle that you want to do when you've got a pulley pressed on, they all have this little lip on the end of them for the puller to pull it off. See, there's no threads, it's just pressed on. What you want to do is take part of the kit, which is just a solid steel rod, and you want that to get to the bottom of the shaft that you're pulling off of. You're pulling the pulley off of this shaft. So that hits bottom. Alright? Imagine the pulley is pressed on still. The next thing you want to do is take these jaws, and here's where I had the problem. The jaws fit okay this way. They have two sizes, a bigger size and a smaller size. They fit okay, but they would actually pull off when I started to put tension on it. So I needed to use the smaller size. Well, the smaller size wouldn't go in. It was too thick to go into this groove on the pulley. So what I did was I took a hammer and I tapped it in as far as I could, and then you have to put this jack screw on there. Now the other part of the rod that's bottomed out goes into this jack screw. Let me take that off and show you. Like that. It goes in that. So what you're doing basically is you're getting a grip on the pulley groove here, and then you're screwing this down. As you screw this down, this nut comes up and pulls with these jaws, pulls the pulley off. Okay? So it actually, you need an adjustable or a 1-inch wrench on this nut, and then a 1/2 inch on this one, which turns it like that. I'm going to do it by hand, but I'm just showing you how you would do this. Watch now. This goes around there. Now I've got the wrong size down in the groove, but it'll work now because it's already loose. I had to use this other size, and I had to hammer it in. Now what I'm going to do before I use this next time is just going to grind off about maybe 1/8 of an inch off of the bottom of both of these, and then it should slip in okay. It wasn't much. But imagine that's a good fit. Put the sleeve over it. Now, my hands are like 2 wrenches. I'm screwing this down. I'm holding this one solid. Actually, I can even use the wrench there. And I'm screwing, screwing, screwing. And this is pulling up, pulling up, pulling up, pulling. And it comes off eventually. So what you've done is you've made this long and you pull. Well, actually this stays one length, but you're just pulling with the jaws. You're pulling on that groove. So let's review it. This has a couple different size pins too, depending on how deep this hole is. Could be different size pins. The pin goes in. This is the jack screw part. Goes on top. Then your jaws. Lock the jaws. Now you start pulling, 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 pulling. And that's how you pull it off. Of course, it doesn't come off that easy. I've already got it off, but It's possible. Now, it's also possible to do this on the car if you have enough room here. I didn't have enough room, so I had to take this bracket out and take the power steering pump out. But if you have room, you could actually pull this, like if you had a truck, for example, and you've got a lot of room to work in the engine area around a big truck. You could leave all this in and just pull that out. 4 bolts to change out your power steering pump. Put the new one in. Now you can reverse this. I'm not going to show you in the video today because I really haven't used it to put one on yet. But you can reverse this same kit and push on the new pulley. Okay? I hope that helps you out. It's a little complicated, but not that bad. Once you get it in front of you on your bench or in your car, and you flip the jaws around till you get the right ones on the pulley, that's basically it. You're holding one and you're screwing the other one, and it's pulling the pulley off. If this helps you out, give me a thumbs up. If you want more from Froggy, subscribe to my channel. It's free, and today is September 11th, so don't forget what happened on September 11th to our country. See you later, guys and gals. Froggy out.